A few weeks ago I went to check on my grill. I was going to take it up to a friend's house to cook for a gathering, but then I noticed that my line was messed up. See, it's just beautiful, this view here. I have no view, just the woods. I can walk around naked out here. See? Just kidding. I'm not going to put myself naked on this video. Anyways, I checked my grill and the line down here is rusted a little bit. So I went to open it to clean it out and there was a bird's nest in there, just freshly made, but now I see there's bird shit up here. And I opened this thing up about 5 minutes ago and I saw that mama bird hatched her eggs. So we're going to gently open this and let some sun in on these little babies. Maybe they'll make a little bit of noise for us and we won't bother them and we won't touch them. We'll just get some footage of these fuzzy little newborns here. Aww. Look at those cuties. And we'll get ourselves out of this shade here. You guys want to say something? Say hello to the good folks. Looks like they're a little hungry. We'll get out of here. It's a cool looking nest. It looks like it's got like a top hole here and then the bottom hole. It's like two nests in one. Maybe that's where mama sleeps, is up there. And then babies are down there. Look at that. Let's see how many there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, looks like 5. They're starting to feel the sun a little bit, so I'll close the top back on them. Because otherwise they'll fall out of their nest and fall down to the grill. Yeah. Alrighty. See you guys later. See you when you're ready to fly. I'll videotape you falling to the ground.